I'm here at Silver Falls State Park going hiking again. So apparently my friends Jared and Nono mentioned that this is one of the really nice parks to be kind of going to. I'm gonna go along here. To be perfectly honest, I don't feel really 100%. You know, I'm kind of congested. I've been feeling like, thinking maybe I was gonna get sick for a little bit, so I'm just gonna take it easy, do a quick 7 mile, and then maybe head back. Doesn't seem like it's gonna be any big sort of thing, so that's why I just have a day pack. And we'll see what it is. We'll see if there's anything interesting to kind of go around about it. Just going down this little path to the South Falls, and I can understand why Jared told me that this was a good place to go. It's very remarkable. It's really, really nice, even though this trail looks like it's probably gonna be pretty easy. Yeah, I could say it definitely seems special. So I'm right behind one of the waterfalls now. This really is pretty amazing. It's definitely an amazing waterfall and an amazing time to be coming here, right? In the middle of the fall. These beautiful caves, hollowed out, I guess by the water or something. So I'm definitely getting my fall foliage. I was worried in some ways that being outside of the Northeast, I wouldn't be able to experience my favorite season out of the year. Thankfully up here in Oregon, that's not true. They get a nice little fall too. Okay guys, I think this is the last waterfall that I'm going to be at. I'm at the upper North Falls. I feel like I've been waterfall overload here. You might not even be able to hear what I say. Each one of them is kind of unique and beautiful, and this is definitely a really nice hike. I can't say that was easy or hard, but it was great.